Korean corn dog is filled with a majestic cheesy blend, fulfilled as a beautiful possession on planet Earth. America, our food is so simple. Also, I want to thank you guys for 50,000 subscribers. These corn dogs are for y'all. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Krusty
and Mariah,
back again with another vlog for you guys, man. I hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, and good night whenever you guys are watching this, man. Check it out. Me and Mariah got an interesting one in store for y'all today. But before we get into this, let them know what they gotta do.
You gotta subscribe, hit that like button, and go follow.
Hell yeah, and turn on post notifications, man. You feel me? Comment down below, man, if there's any future videos you guys want. But me and Mariah are actually gonna do something interesting today. If you can't tell from the title, we're gonna try Korean whoa, I messed that up. Korean corn dogs. I messed that up. But look, I'm really excited because we're gonna compare it to an American corn dog. And have you tried corn dogs before?
Yeah.
I have too, but you know, they're pretty simple. But I've been seeing this whole hype around the Korean corn dog, and I feel like it's gonna be good. It's gonna be cheesy. I've never tried it. I know you haven't tried it, so it's our first time trying it. You feel me? So I'm really excited. You have anything to say upon the Korean corn dog?
I hope it tastes good.
I hope so too. I really hope so too, man. It seems like it's got a lot of hype, but I'm really excited, man. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Me and Mariah are gonna go ahead and try this Korean corn dog for you guys and the American corn dog and compare them both, and we will see how it goes, man. Enjoy this video, and I love you guys so much. Don't you?
I love them too.
Yes. So Mariah, we have made it. We have made it, man. We are going to a place that sells these Korean corn dogs. I'm excited. I don't know where we're going, but I hope that we get there safely, because we gotta find it. The atmosphere of this place is really nice though, man, for reals. Look at this, we're up at the top of the world, and I think the hype is gonna be set today, so let's get it.
It's good that I'm hungry.
Oh, for reals, me too. I'm starving. How many corn dogs are you getting? Remember, we still gotta try the American one.
Only one.
I might get like 3. So we're at Two Hands. This place looks really nice. It's upstairs on the 3rd floor. I'm really wondering on what this is gonna taste like. So we just ordered. Mariah's crazy. She got the spicy dog. I don't know why. You're younger than me and you like spices. Probably because you're half Mexican. Probably what it is. Hey, I'm excited, man. This place looks beautiful, as y'all could tell. But we just ordered. I'll let you guys know what we just got. So they're giving us the exclusive tour, and they're letting us inside the spot, man. This is dope. Nobody really gets this type of exclusive tour, but let's go ahead and see his process upon how he makes the hot dog. These are Korean corn dogs, I meant, not hot dogs, corn dogs. Muchas gracias por dejarnos enseñar eso. That's so cool, man, that we just got the whole backstage set of the corn dog making. You feel me?
We got the corn dog.
Heck yeah, man. So I got 2, Mariah got 1. I'm really excited, bro. Two Hands Suwo fresh corn dogs. If I'm not saying that right, you guys let me know. This is dope. I mean, who would have thought? Who would have thought we'd go back in the background of it? I'm excited to post this video, man. You guys gotta go like, comment, subscribe for those workers, and go show them some love, man. For real, this place is beautiful. Mariah, what are your thoughts upon the corn dogs right now?
It smells good, bro.
It does smell good. I can't lie to you. I'm really excited to try this, and you got the hot Cheeto looking one too. So that looks really good. I'm excited for you to try that, man. That's dope.
Oh, I'm scared. I don't know why. I should not be scared. Oh.
It's probably hot, huh? It's cheesy.
Everything's good about it. Look at this one. That's some good stuff.
And this is a very interesting looking corn dog right here. I can tell y'all right now. Very interesting. Oh my. Whoa. Yo, I'm not a fan of mustard, But this is hidden, right? It's got like sugar on it, ketchup, mustard. Oh my gosh. This is so good, man. This is the one with just mozzarella cheese right here. Let's try it. Let's try it.
I don't like it.
Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Yo! Yo, it's not stopping! It's not stopping! Oh my goodness! Whoa! That was wild, bro. I ain't never seen cheese that long string out.
Yeah, if you saw my reaction, you would have that a lot.
Yo, man, that was amazing. We're gonna go ahead and finish this. Korean corn dogs are definitely a true different life experience and aspect, bro. So we're gonna finish this.
The corn dogs were good. Although, the aftertaste of the sauce, I wasn't really like a fan of it. Because it tasted like a little too sweet. So yeah, but after all, the corn dogs were really good. Go check this place out. And yeah, I give it like a 9.3 out of 10.
I don't really eat corn dogs, but this was a very, very different aspect upon eating a corn dog. You know, it's definitely up there. It's a 9 out of 10 because of the creativity. The mozzarella cheese was just so stringy and it was so good. You get me? It was warm. I think it was really good. I tried Mariah's too. You know, the sauce was a little off. But yes, I'm not a fan of mustard, and that mustard really made it good, honestly. So 9 out of 10. Y'all gotta come check out Two Hands to All Corn Dogs out here in Los Angeles. You know, go check out my socials. You guys will check them out there, man, and give them a little tag on it. And you know, really hope you guys are enjoying this video. We're gonna go ahead and go to Wiener Schnitzel to try the normal corn dogs, which I'm not excited for.
Literally, this place is so beautiful.
Do a statue. Be a statue.
Look at this though. Low key. I just want to show you guys that. And I think it's pretty good. I like the corn dogs, but right now we're gonna try the American corn dogs, so stay tuned for that, okay?
We are here at Wiener Schnitzel, man. Very interested and excited to try the American corn dog.
I'm scared.
I'm kind of scared. It took 1 minute to literally get the corn dogs.
She just popped out. Like,
all right, go ahead, try this corn dog. It's pretty crazy that it came out so fast, but it's so small. Pretty decent. The one thing about American corn dogs is they don't put mozzarella in it. It's a straight sausage. It doesn't got much.
too basic.
It's too basic. It's like a basic bitch. It's like a 6 out of 10, 5. It's just too basic.
One thing I don't like about American corn dogs is that they're too basic, and then sometimes they just taste disgusting. Time to try this. I'm very scared to try it, but you know, you never know you like it once you try it. Bread, it tastes too, I know that cornbread, it tastes like cornbread. I mean, I think it's cornbread, but I don't really like it. I'm not really a fan. Unlike the Korean corn dogs, it's like a 5.6 out of 10. And if you're like, oh my god, should give it a low rating, I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I will write a note to you saying how sorry I am, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe, and push that
Turn on notifications, man. Nah, I love you guys so much, man. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications like you heard her. If you guys have any other suggestions on food that we should try, let us know down below in the comments. We really appreciate it. We are here for the grind. We're here to try everything. This is gonna be a journey. I love you guys so much, man, from America and the whole entire world. Me and Mariah and your boy. Have a freaking great day. Your boy Krusty Vlogs.